Free learning to students. dVidya is a pilot project with the aim of providing free online learning to students. Students' earnings from work from home assignments. After completing their studies, qualified students are offered work from home assignments by dVidya. Teachers and authors' earnings from work from home assignments. dVidya offers work from home assignments to experienced teachers and authors. They may work in their free time, just using a smartphone or computer. Courses. dVidya is currently offering learning resources and services on mathematics and statistics for science and commerce streams, as well as elective subjects for commerce stream, like Accountancy, Mercantile Law, Economics, for students in classes 11 and 12. Please check out the links in the description below to learn more about how dVidya offers free learning opportunities for students while allowing them to earn at the same time. Additionally, authors and teachers can work online from their own location and at their own pace and make extra earnings.